this is Jeff from Vocal Boost to Go, and today I want to show you a new product that we designed to help voice actors set up the monitors in the vocal booth, in the closet, anywhere where the space is at premium. And we got a lot of questions. How do I put the monitor in the PVC framed booth? How put the monitor in any kind of booth, even in the closet? And so this is the product we designed. No, not this one. We designed this product to suspend this one, to hang this one off the frame, off the wall, anywhere you want. And it's a simple product. It basically consists of two straps, and the straps will be fixed to the back of the screen, and then you suspend on the wall. It's as simple as that. So once it's fixed on the back of the monitor, you can suspend it off the frame. And yeah, it looks kind of funny now. But this part is going to be pushing against the wall, and it's going to be fine. This design, you know, it's very simple. It's a special kind of strap. It's very strong and it's flat. So it's not going to stretch or anything like that. You can use on the wall of the closet, on the PVC booth, on the SPB booth or AVB booth. So first I'm going to try to do it on the PVC frame. This is the like 38 by 38 PVC frame for the vocal booth with the blanket. Now obviously we took out the front one so you can see what's going on. Monitor attached. So this simple design allows you to adjust the height of the monitor any way you want. So let's say if you're standing, if you want to work standing up, then you can just pull it up like this. As high as you need, you can level it. If you're sitting down, you need it closer down, then you can adjust the straps as well. Just push that D-rings down, and it will allow you to slide it just like that, and it fixes. So that's kind of, you can look straight on the screen. All right, so now we're going to change it to the AVB booth, and we're going to try to do the same in the AVB booth. So now we're going to try to hang it over here on this and this cross sections. Just in the middle, because I think it's provide better support here. And it's the same way. And here you go. Now we're going to go to SPB. So this is the SPB 66, the bigger booth. It's soundproof booth. Gives about 33 decibel noise reduction. And we're going to try to set it up over there. And let's see. All right, here we already have one screen suspended, because this is the ADR room, so we need two screens, one for the video and one for the script for the voice actor to read. But basically you can see we just hung up from the same bar the second strap, second monitor. So now we have two monitors, and the strap is long enough to adjust it to whatever length that you want that's comfortable for you. So if you have to set up your equipment in a closet where you already have the walls, and you would need to get some hooks like that, or maybe something like this, and just install it into the wall. Or maybe you already have the existing bars for the clothes, depends. But you need to create some kind of support. After that, it's pretty much the same routine. I'm just gonna hang it up over here and then adjust the height. And here you go. You have the monitor adjusted, to whatever the height you need in the closet. So this saves the space. You don't need an extra shelf. You don't need an extra stand or anything like that. It's also obviously very light and very compact. You can just get a couple of straps and you can mount your monitor anywhere. So that was a demonstration of the mounting straps for monitor that you can use in your closet, in your PVC booth, in any booth that you want. Thank you very much. So for D-ring, we put first through both layers for both rings. Then one, we spread the D-rings apart and put into another one. So you have this loop like that. And then just pull the excess out. And now it supports. Just when the pressure goes down, the strap gets locked between two D-rings. So when you want to slide it down, what you need to do, you just need to grab over here and push this D-ring down like that. Hop, like this. And then you can slide it down. It's gonna go down. Like this. And slowly slide it down. And you can always control the tension. You can see the screen is kind of tilted because it doesn't have the hard back behind and pushes blanket away. In this case, there's a very simple solution. Get a little, piece of wood and place it behind. So the piece of wood should be large enough to rest on the supports. And in this case, you just place it like that. And it sits pretty straight. Anyway, you got the idea. You got the idea, I think.